everybody. So I just wanted to come online. It's Saturday and I have 2 big boxes to do for an unboxing. I'm gonna go hands-free. Where is my little hands-free thing? Hey. Alright, so my first box is actually a Fab Fit Fun box. And I got some extra items from the spring shopping. Hey. And this is what I got. I got a 4-pack of hand cream. 4 packs, and one's going to go in a giveaway in the future. It's vegan hand cream cocoa colada. And it's by Voesh, Vosh. So this only cost me, I think it was $10 American, and you get 4 of them. That's so awesome. And since I might as well open it to see what I got. So this is a Fab Fit Fun sale. And, oh, it's sealed. Let's see. All right. Super moisturizing. Oh my God, it smells like coconut. It's supposed to like pina colada, I guess. So it takes a long time to soak in. So it's a very thinning cream, but awesome. And yeah, vegan global animal testing policy. It's made in Korea, but it's distributed by Vosh in New York. There you go. Cool. So it smells amazing. In my box, I also got Spongella. And this one is Apple Blossom. Exfoliates, cleans, massage, and nourish. Body wash infused buffer. So it's so cool. It's this round buffer, and it's called Apple Blossom. And this one cost me $8 American. And you know that I like Spongella. So I got 2 more. And this one is Lavender Sky. There it is. And it smells like lavender with a hint of fresh scent. So I got 2 of these, and they were $7 each too. And the last item in my box is Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. It is a full-size product. It's 8 fluid ounces or 240 milliliters. And this cost me, I think it was $15 American. So I spent about, I don't know, about $50 Canadian on all these items. But I got so many. So I love sprays that I like. After I moisturize my face and I put the serums and eye creams and everything, I do a spray at the end, just a nice spritzy, and it also hydrates your skin really well, especially in the winter and summer months when your face dries out. So that's my Fab Fit Fun add-on box, and then I can't wait to get my summer box by Fab Fit Fun. And I have another big box to do an unboxing. I'm just giving out hey waves. And I'm going to go get it. Gigantic box. Now, my girlfriend sent this to me. And it's to help out her friend who has cancer. So I decided to donate some money towards her cancer treatments. And I'm just trying to get into this box. Oh yeah, she taped it up really well. Look at this. Woo. It is a gigantic box. Inside the box. Aww. She gave me a card. So I got a nice card. Ooh, I got Superhero It Cosmetics Mascara. So awesome. And, ooh, I got 2 lipsticks. So cool. It's by Bare Minerals. And it's a beautiful rose pink. And this one's called Romance. And it's another little bit darker pink. And it's called Focus. So I paid for those. I think they were like $5 or $10 each. And let's see. Oh, we've seen this card before. So it's from Mrs. Boot Reviewed, or Melody. Thanks so much for buying. I've included the mascara as a thank you. Aww. Please let me know when you get it. And this gigantic silk packaging. Oh my god. Oh my word. It is a purse. It's a gigantic purse by Michael Kors. And I paid a little bit extra for this, but oh my god, it is a gigantic. It's gigantic, brand new in box. Michael Kors purse. Is huge. But anyways, thank you so much. I love supporting people. See where it is. It says Michael Kors and a big silk thing. So I love supporting, and it's just a really big tote. And I got some extras, so thank you so much for shipping that. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting this video up in my YouTube channel, and then I'll do a clip about the giveaway. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey everybody, so you're gonna be checking out this new giveaway that Mary and I have. 3 winners will win this Tarte giveaway. Be sure to enter. Thanks for watching.